Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we'll be talking about the multicolor extension of the Ultimate PostKit add-on. We are going to demonstrate the function of this multicolor extension visually instead of a verbal discussion. First of all, you will find this extension inside your WordPress dashboard within the Ultimate PostKit tab under the extension settings. Once you are there, just turn on the switcher and save settings. Now let's get into a page opened in Elementor editor where we put a post grid in the page. Reloading the page will apply the new changes to the site. Then click on the section settings icon of that post grid and go into the style tab. You should be able to see the multicolor item option in the list. Open the option and click on the enable button here. There is a selector field and an add item button. Now click on the add item button and then change the background color. You'll see all grid content backgrounds switching to the new color. Then add another item and change the color and you'll see it taking effect on the grid with a single interval. Similarly to that, the next color item will take a double interval and it will continue to do so until you create the total color item similar to the total number of grids in the display. For a better matchup, you can get into the grid style settings and change the title, text, meta and counter colors to white. That's one part. Now to apply multicolor to categories or specific backgrounds, inspect the category and copy the class ID from the styles. Paste the ID in the selector field and you'll see the multicolor taking effect on the categories instantly. Notice the content backgrounds no longer remain in multicolor mode. This happens because by default, once you add a color item, it automatically works on the content background. But when you apply through a selector field, you need to specify the class of the backgrounds where you want to apply multicolor. Here we put only the category ID in the field so the other background elements are blocked. Once we select the PostGrid content background class, multicolor will work on that too. Of course, you can add multiple IDs in the selector field using commas and it will work on all of them. That's all for the multicolor extension. Thanks for your time. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel to get updates on the new tutorial videos. Stay safe and see you next time.